Hey guys, what's up? Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. I've got a brand new 23 Vantage just showed up. It's a 2019 model, finished in this gorgeous blue hull side. Lots of seating, you've got room for up to 10 on here. And with this setup, you can get out and go do some fishing, do some leisure at the sandbar, take the whole family, really do a little bit of everything great. It even has a sink head and freshwater washdown. Big swim platform on the back, and with the new style Mercury 300 Verados, you won't even hear this thing running, and it's got plenty of power to get up and playing with a full load of people. Let's hop on board and see what it looks like. So coming in from the back here, we've got a nice little walkway entry. At starboard, you've got your full sink and Yeti cooler stored down below. On the port side, you've got a convertible seat that has a lounger mechanism. Move it forward if you want a rear face lounger, or vice versa. If you're out for the day leisure boating, you've got a rear folding seat here. If you want to pop that up, it becomes a knee bolster for fishing. Plenty of room here at the helm with a swivel captain's chair. You've got storage or a fish locker on the bottom. On the port side here, we've got the head. I'll open it up. Plenty of room for all your gear, as well as a pump out head. Finally moving to the front, two big loungers and an easy step on and off with another freshwater washdown. If you guys have any questions, give me a call.